Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about the factors of soil formation. So, there we understood or we came to know about two different factors which holds responsibility for the formation of soil. One is parent rock factor, another one is uh, chemical factor. So after discussing about these two different factors, so let us continue our discussion. uh, Soil degradation and conservative measures. Soil degradation or degradation of soil. So degradation in the sense how the available resource in the form of soil, it is going to be degraded means it is made into unfit. So the major threats for degradation of soil, it is in the form of soil erosion and depletion. So these are mainly caused by ourselves, that is human beings, because human beings and their life, the other resources that the human beings are using regularly in their day-to-day activities or affairs, so they are closely connected with nature. Hence knowingly or unknowingly, directly or indirectly, so human factors and natural factors hold responsibility in degrading the soil. So the important reasons or the important activities which can be listed for degrading the soil, it is listed as deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rainwater, landslides, floods, and others. So deforestation means chopping, cutting the area covered with trees for commercial purpose and decreasing the area under forest, it is deforestation. Then overgrazing, the grasslands where grasses or grass itself stretch roots deep into the soil and holds responsibility in protecting the washing away or wearing away the top layer of the soil in the form of soil erosion. These grass, it is going to be grazed by the cattle. So excess grazing of grass, it is also the other reason for soil erosion. Then overuse of chemicals and fertilizers in order to produce crops in a large quantity for earning profits leads soil to lose its fertility, and finally it leads to change fertile land into barren land. So that is also the other reason for degrading the soil. Then rainwater. So when heavy rain is going to be recorded in a region, it creates automatically to increase the amount of water available or stored in a region. So excess storing of water leads to create floods. So or even excess amount of water stored starts running in high speed into the regions where it is observed as slopes. So running water is other reason for washing away the top layer of the soil, which leads to soil erosion. Then other reasons can be quoted for soil degradation or degradation of soil. So if the question is asked, what are the reasons for degradation of soil or soil degradation? So the important reasons including both human factors as well as natural factors. So they are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rainwater, landslides, floods, and others. Then after knowing about the reasons for soil degradation, then question arises, is there any solution for this, or we have to think ourselves about what are the possible uh, means and methods can be followed or adopted so that soil degradation can be controlled or preserved, or uh, soil erosion, soil depletion. So these threats can be protected or preserved for future generation. So about these different methods and means and measures, about controlling or conservative measures, we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So let me end today's session. So take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you one and all.